Trending today, and trending is Chaplain Piri, who was preaching, saying that there was a man that she turned down because he used to sell potatoes at a supermarket entrance, only to meet him years later driving a big car, living a beautiful life, successful, and yet there she was walking from the court having filed for divorce. Let's hear.
Mamtarimwe.
It's tangi
Ngomkomana wa Akakuramba wa AFM mamtarimwe.
Right.
Aitengesa ma potato.
Right.
Patiem. Ndikazomuona aine bango. Indine mapepa edivorce ndakamanya kwa high court. Noziva ndakanzwa kuti unozamarika. Dai makandizivisa chekufamba nacho. Vamwe vanhu vakakusiya vanofanirwa kunodemba. Kuti Mwari dai makandizivisa hangu ndakaroora eginesi. Aita ameni satana apo ekana. Kuti ndichati ngatidzokererana zvichabuda. Goza akatondintroduce kuna me.
Oshidipai. So let's hear, have you ever been turned down by someone that you really liked, you know, that you were interested in or loved because of the situation that you were in? How are you now and where are they now? You know, kanoti for the women sometimes the other way around, maybe you're dating, right? And then in retrospect, you know, you know, you saved me from this person. Heartbreak. So for women it could be the other way, or even for men. Where are they now and where are you? I see African movies, right? But I've seen it, you know. Where, you know, God really looks out for his own, and sometimes inengetore ataki kuti unoshaya meso ekuona ruono chairo rokuona future pamunhu. Yeah, otomuramba usina kuona future apo Mwari akatomurongera zvinhu kumberi and iwo wakwangwaya vamwe vanobva vadozozvikamfota kuti haisi nyaya yemari chete aiwa kana uchitokwangwaya kavedweka wakaramba munhu yekuti akayambuka ungatadze kudemba naimi kuti apo iwo kwauri kwachona uti nhamo ti pamwe kuchiitwa zvese otoona kuti aizvi ndakadzimaidzwa time iyoyo ndikarasiswa kuchuza, you know, the winning team. Sister Leigh, good morning.
Good morning, how are you? Yeah, the winning team now.
Hey, winning team ga. Hey. Yeah. Winning team.
And rufungo itindopinda neiphi.
Right.
Winning team. Kokana zvaingoda iye munhu wacho ari different, and then over their combination yakavhayaita you know how each person carries their own blessing, and maybe it just wanted that other person could elevate.
So I remember, and it was Michelle Obama who then saw her. I think it was a former boyfriend or something, owning a restaurant. Then Obama jokingly said, also you would have been a wife to a restaurant owner. No. He would have been. I would have been the wife to the first lady, to the president still. I would have been the first lady because sometimes
it's like that.
Yeah.
Not I'm trying to justify because life is always like that. Yeah, it's African movie, but looks like Muno Alcina or Muno Kambo turn it down, or how turn it down is like a house Tanga Kufamba, and it's a got handbrake of some sort life go on. So this is me trying not to justify. But Kokana so the Muno Akakuramba elevate. And things might not have worked now if you were in the picture still.
This is
me just, but you know, a lot of times and the grass
no regrets. God would have really saved you from spaces and people. So I've actually no regrets. I look back and I'm like, okay, that's where you are now, and this is where I am now, and I see the hand of God, and I'm happy.
If I guess, if it was genuine, like genuinity during that time, your kuti, it didn't work really genuine, and you were not materialistic, you're not being superficial, you were not listening to friends, and very genuine. I think are genuine, not have regrets. But my friends usually panozoita karegret ipapo because it's not for you. It was never about you, it was about the people around you, how people would view you and see you. Nobody potato. But if it was genuinely about yourself, it decision I don't think you have any regrets. But waka enter with the wind, usually you will be regretful.
Pane wauda kuimbirere kuti wakaluza pai kanoti pane were kwauri konoti ish apa ndakaluza vedwe. If I had then just said yes to this person, apa pakapa ndinoita ruono rekuona zviri mberi, although leo achiti pamwe munhu waakazopeya naye, that was the tech team yaitobuditsa zvinhu zvemafruits abudaya. But then ameno munazo here izvozvo where you're like munhu yakambondisaiza, but then look where they are, and mwari akaita hake, look where I am, mwari akatondi visapa nemunhu for a reason. Have you not experienced that?
I have mostly.
Wasaka mwari aitoona nemi kuti munhu uyu apinde isaona pamwe waitomudawo utoona kuti maiwezvo ndakapinda mumarara.
Amene rake kana achiteerera but ndine munhu akadaro ndaitomunyarika
marara
kwete kuti marara. Life bores, it's a bore. But ane kakuita most probably maybe kasingazikanwe nemunhu wake o kakuita izvizvi hanzi mari nobudisa character
kaakuita sei
ane kakuita so kekuti ndakati
ane mabranch akawanda
mwari ka
wokuti imari zvayo asi makaita yenyu
imari zvayo but pane kaurararara karipo kaurubvurupu karipo, and I'm like, God, I was a minute or a second to just say, you know best. You know best. Because also knowing myself, if I was to deal with that situation, tingadezvo pa headline remu Metro or court proceeding somewhere yekuti pane zvakazoitika.
All right, let's hear from you as well. 0772162651. And there's this girl, my answered prayer Chaeyo. She's still in her deciding stage, but I believe the most important thing she's thinking of right now is stability and the future security day, which I understand. I have some things lined up for me in a couple of months, but I can't reveal everything to her. For now, I'm hustling, which she knows, but I need assurances. I love her so much, but I can't force her. I'll try and wait. She's not a radio person, but this other Anzi loves you so much. Oma akutotishandisa kuti she should say shoko. Okay, saka aka lose up or kuti atoluza because asikuzoti pane ma projects are lined
up. Okay. Saka ndaruono unoziya. Ina ndizive kuti mwari. Ndinotaura kuti I guess God, it was very intentional when God pakati singazive zviri mumind memunhu, singazive zviri muhana memunhu handiti. So imagine being with a person who knows you've got things lined up asiri genuine, but because of the things that you've lined up. So kusaka toona ikoko, sometimes it's for God to pay you with the rightful person and compliment whatever you have lined up, because
and who's just going to support you regardless of who's genuinely there for you. And
imagine when you could chaplain as well, because it's one way for her to be coming out and saying I think some mona successful. It's also another thing for even the husband of I divorced then to see her standing tall and healed from marriage. So I guess so
I know pane vanza majewels ake because anenge achitozoti intention yemunhu haisi right. Saka unokwanisa kusaizwa ugorwadziwa, but then mwari anenge achitobvisa the fake people around you, those who don't have clean and clear motives for you, those are not for you. Saka anovanza kuva special kwako, and the jewel in you, and it's very intentional. And I love that about God. Ukonyatsorerutswa nemunhu ungosaizwa Mwari ada zvake ugoti kunei Mwari chi izvo ari kutobvisa, you know. And I went to school with this girl kuyuni ndobva ndazongodecided kuenda kumwe. Izvozvi she is married to a multimillionaire in Harare. Iyeye ndingadai ndakamudzosa kumashure aisazoziva Range Rover. Be honest guys, tikuda kunzwa zvese, you know. Yakandichuza munhu.
Anakuudza kuti pane ma combination the winning team yavashare vaattack team yekuti vakangopeana vanhu ivavo zvinhu zvavo zvinobva zvatoshuta for the best.
Nekanoidai ndakaramba ndinaye dai life yaionera honesty yoyo yakatonaka yo honesty yoyo kuti
because we always focus on the heartbreaks but also
ngotiudze mukadzoka pana tida kutaura tida kungoti ingova secret yedu muno mustudio.